Chemical reaction and equation. Chemical reaction are the processes in which new substances with new chemical properties are formed. For example, magnesium is a metal. When magnesium is heated, it combines with oxygen to form magnesium oxide. Now, the substances which take part in a chemical reaction are called as reactants. Here, magnesium and oxygen are taking part in a chemical reaction, so they are called as reactants. Products. Substances formed out of chemical reaction are called as products. Here, magnesium oxide is found out of the reaction between two substances, so it is called as a product. Characteristics of chemical reaction. Characteristics of a chemical reaction are the easily observable feature which takes place when a chemical reaction happens. Some of the characteristics of chemical reaction are evolution of gas, formation of precipitate, change in color, change in temperature, and change in state. We will see all these characteristics one by one. Let us start with evolution of gas. Some chemical equations are characterized by evolution of gas. For example, when zinc reacts with dilute sulfuric acid, then zinc sulfate and hydrogen gas is evolved. This chemical reaction is characterized by evolution of hydrogen gas. Formation of precipitate. Before saying formation of precipitate, we should know what is meant by precipitate. Precipitate is a solid product that separates out from a reaction that separates out from a solution during a chemical reaction. For example, when potassium iodide reacts with lead nitrate, then lead iodide and potassium nitrate is formed. Lead iodide is a yellow precipitate which is formed by the reaction of potassium iodide and lead nitrate. Change in temperature. During a chemical reaction, a change in temperature can take place. This is due to the fact that during a chemical reaction, sometimes heat is evolved and sometimes heat is absorbed. So, due to which the temperature may change during a chemical reaction. On the basis of change in temperature, there are two types of reaction: exothermic reaction and endothermic reaction. Those reaction in which heat is evolved are called as exothermic reaction. For example, calcium oxide reacts with water to form calcium hydroxide and lot of heat is evolved. uh, Endothermic reaction. Those reactions in which heat is absorbed are called as endothermic reaction. For example, when nitrogen reacts with oxygen to form nitrogen monoxide, then a lot of heat is absorbed during this reaction. Change in color. Some chemical reactions are characterized by change in color. For example, when citric acid is added to potassium permanganate solution, then purple color of potassium permanganate solution fades up and it becomes colorless. Change in state. Some chemical reactions are characterized by change in state. For example, when wax is heated, it is converted into carbon dioxide and water. In this reaction, the solid state of wax is changing into the gaseous state of carbon dioxide and liquid state of water. Thus a change in state is taking place in this reaction. Thank you.